Hey guys, it's Miss Farmer. All right, so this is what you were doing today because I will be at testing. So to watch this video, when you go into your class plan, there's a link that says Khan Academy Arithmetic Sequencing. It's going to bring you to this page, so you're going to work through the lesson for arithmetic sequencing. So you can go as fast as you can or as slow as you can. You have the whole day to do so. So there's sequences intro, and you'll watch the video. After you're done, there's another video that you can watch. Another talk that goes into more depth. If you click over here, these are it via notes. So it talks about it if you don't want to watch the video. There's another video for extending arithmetic. This is where you're probably going to get your best bet is practicing. It says practice extended arithmetic sequencing, and you can work through Khan Academy. I guess I should move this down a little bit. You can work through Khan Academy, so likely you take a guess. So as you can see this arithmetic sequencing, they're adding 2 to each one. So it says, what is the next term? You type it in and then click check answer. And it tells you if you did it right or wrong, and it'll give the next question. If you want it step by step how it did it, it'll do that from here. If you got it wrong, it'll actually help you. So you want to go through as much of the practice as you can. Then this is the next video I really want you to focus on is the arithmetic suite sequencing formula. This is super important. So you want to go ahead and practice this formula and then do some more practice here. It gives you examples on the left-hand side. You are going to work through Khan Academy is going to be your teacher today. After you are all done with all of this and you feel comfortable with arithmetic sequencing, there is a USA test prep assignment that is going to be on available to you. It's just 2 or 3 questions over arithmetic sequencing. Okay, so that is what you are doing today. If you have any questions, you are welcome to send me an email. I won't have access to my email till the afternoon, but if you need any help, just send me an email.